Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about how to expand binomial theorem with easy steps. Okay, so see here. Now first of all I will write here the form of binomial theorem. Suppose I will take here for example 3x plus 4y whole power of 5 is there. 3x plus 4y whole power of 5. How to write here actual binomial theorem form is nothing but here. See here, this is n, okay, and this is x, this is a, okay. So we write here 5c0 x power of 5 minus 0 is nothing but 5 and 4y whole power of 0 okay. Next one 5c1 3x whole power of 5 minus 1, that is nothing but 4y whole power of 1. 5c2 3x whole power of 5 minus 2 3 4y whole power of 2. 5c3 3x whole power of 5 minus 3 2 4y whole power of 3. 5c4 3x whole power of 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1 and 4y whole power of 4. 5c5 3x whole power of 5 minus 5 0 4y whole power of 5. Actual expansion this is clear. So 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5 are the coefficients here, and x and a powers are first term power, that is nothing but 3x power is in decreasing and second power is increasing, okay. So here we write here 5c0 is nothing but 1 into this one, so 3x whole power of 5 4y whole power of 0 is nothing but 1, so we get this one. 5c1 is nothing but 5 by 1 is nothing but 5 3x whole power of 4 4y whole power of 1. 5c2 5 into 4 by 2 into 1, that is nothing but 10 we get here. 3x whole power of 3 4y whole power of 2. 5c3 also same 10 whole power of 2 4y whole power of 3, okay. Next one 5c4, that is nothing but 5c1 equals to, that is 3x whole power of 1 4y whole power of 4. 5c5 is also 1 into 3x whole power of 0 also 1 and the remaining value we write here 4y whole power of 5, okay. So this is the actual method. So we find out the values like that. Here 5c2 is nothing but 5c3 5c4, 5c2 is nothing but 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 like that. 5c3 also 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2 into 1. So we get these answers, clear. So how to find out directly? See here, easy way to expand of 3x plus 4y whole power of 5. See here, we observe in previous method we written already, first term power is decreasing 1 by 1 and second term power is increasing 1 by 1, clear. So that is nothing but I will write that's one 3x whole power of 5 I write first of all, clear. Then after 4y whole power of 0. So when we are adding the 5 plus 0 we get this one, okay. Each and every term also adding the powers we get here n value, right. Next 1 by 1 increasing decreasing, clear. So 3x whole power of 5 is there here 4. So when we get here 5 we are adding 1, we get here 5. That's why 4y whole power of 1. Next one, same. 3x whole power of 3, 4y whole power of 2. So 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. So this is first, second, third. Next, 3x whole power of 5, 4, 3, 2. 4y whole power of 3. 3x whole power of 1. 4y whole power of 4. Last one is nothing but 3x whole power of 0. 4y whole power of 5. So observe the powers here. When we are adding this one, 3 plus 2, 5, okay. 1 plus 4, 5, okay. 0 plus 5, 5, okay. 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2 also. Clear? So now we will write here coefficients here. First and last coefficient is always 1, equals to 1. For all values here. For all expansions. So we take here, this is 1. And this is also 1. Okay. First one and last one. So then after we find out the second one. How to write here? 1 into 5. So product of that one, okay? 1 into 5. We write here 5. 1 into 5, 5. Divide by, we are adding. So 5 divided by 0 is there. So 0 plus 1 add here. So that is nothing but 5 by 1. So here coefficient is nothing but 5. Coefficient is nothing but 5 here. Okay. Next one. Same process will follow here. Clear? How to do? So 1 into 5, 5 we write here. 0 plus 1 we write here. Same here also. 5 is there. So 5 into 4. 5 into 4. How much that is? 5 into 4, 20. By this one plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2 we get here. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. So what we get here? Here 10 we get here. Plus as it is. Next same process. Then after next coefficient. So 10 into 3, 30. By 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 tens are. So we get here 10. Next one. 20 by 4 we get here. 2 into 10. 20. 20 by 4. 20 by 4 is nothing but 5. Okay. So 5 into 1. 5 by 5. Again we get 1. Okay. Now 4x plus 5y whole power of 6. That equals to be right here. So directly I will write here. 4x whole power of 6. 5 y whole power of 0. Okay. So this is nothing but 1. First quotient. So then after 4x whole power of 5. 5y whole power of 1. So what we get here? 6 into 1. 6 by 0 plus 1. So 6 by 1 is nothing but 6. Next. 4x whole power of 4. 5y whole power of 2. 5y whole power of 2. So then after 6 5s are 30. 30 by 2. 15. Okay. Next. 4x whole power of 3. 5y whole power of 3. 5y whole power of 3. Then after coefficient is nothing but 15 fours are 15 into 4. 60. 60 by 3. 60 by 3. 20. Okay. Why? Because 15 fours are 60. 60 by 2 plus 1. 60 by 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 2s are. So 20 we get here. Next. 4x whole power of 2. 5y whole power of 5y whole power of 4. 5y whole power of 4 we get here. So then after 23 is 60. 60 by 4. 60 by 4. 15. We get it 15. Okay. Next one. 4x whole power of 1. 5y whole power of 5. 5y whole power of 5. Then after quotient here. 15 2s are 30. 30 by 4 plus 1. 30 by 4 plus 1. That is 5. 5 6 are. So plus 6 we get here. Next. Last quotient, that is nothing but 1 we get here. So how to get here? 4x whole power of 0. 5y whole power of 6. 5y whole power of 6. So 6 into 1. 6 by 5 plus 1. 6 by 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6. 6 by 6 is nothing but 1. So this is the expansion of 4x plus 5y whole power of 6. Clear? Then after simplify this one, we get the answer.